Well, I was tilling my garden, which has an old tree stump in it, and apparently my tiller tines hit those roots just one time too many, broke the belt. So I took it off, took it down to the store, and got a new one. Okay, so I'm going to show you putting it back on, which is kind of reverse of trying to figure out what was wrong with it, but I'm going to take this bracket loose because the belt has to go in here, and those are blocking it. You can see the belt has to fit right under there. It'll come out from under here. So we're going to take this bolt and this bolt loose, take that out, put the belt over the pulley, put the bracket back on it, which will pin the belt in. Oh darn, that's a 1/2 inch. Okay, I'll be back. So just so you know, this is a Troybilt tiller. It's a Mustang, 18-inch tiller width, 7.5 inch tiller depth, dual direction tine. So I gotta love this thing. It's got lots of power. I actually almost always run it on low speed. There's 2 throttle settings on it, and I run low. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take it clear off. I was hoping I could slip the belt under there, but not gonna happen. All right, I decided I needed to get a socket with a ratchet. So much quicker and easier. So just so you know, it's 1/2 inch, 3/8 and 7/16 that you need in total. If you're working on this exact same model. Now, took this down to the NAPA store, and it's an A57. And okay, so the belt goes around this pulley. You have to, I pried this up rather than taking it loose. Fit the belt in there so the flat side is on the top of the pulley, around this little guy, and back to the big one. I'm going to start it up and make sure that it goes forward and backwards correctly. So, switch on. Good. See the engine's idling without turning the belt. Okay, we got it in forward gear. All right. Reverse. Okay. All right, now we're just going to put the shield back in place and we're good to go. Washer, nut, you notice it has a little plastic. That's so it doesn't slip. It's self-locking. One there, one up here in the front on top, and then one down below on the bottom. And 7/16 here. All right, that is tight. Just so you understand, I was tilling in the garden out there. There's a stump. There are elm roots underneath the ground there, which you'd think they'd be rotted by now, but they still provide quite the kick. And it snapped the belt. I mean, it was, looking at it, it had been ready to go for a while, but it snapped the belt. So to uncover the belt, you have a bolt here, a bolt here, a bolt under here, and this nut. Then this panel comes off, and the belt was just laying in there loose, broken. So you saw me take the bracket that holds this loose here, or put it back here, and so take these things loose. This comes off. You have to take that bracket loose, go get a new belt, bring the belt back on. Hopefully that helps, since we kind of went backwards there. Let's crank it up. Hopefully this will help you if your drive belt breaks on your Troybilt Mustang. Maybe save you some time, make your repair a little easier. You have a great day. Talk to you next time something comes up. Thanks.